What definitely uses the sub-bounding boxes code, and that is handled in so there's no result needed except for collide with. Which means, oh, hold on just a second. So this result here I wonder if we have to flip it around. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think we need to flip it around. The reason I say that is because if we needed to flip it around, no, I mean, so this is the belt and the effect class. And the effect class has the same relationship to the moving entity. Yeah. So no need to change result. Result at this point probably already has everything. Now if we look at, what was it now? Moving entity? No. Normal physics entity. Yeah, it gets the sub-bounding boxes and such. And this should be happening in, this won't happen with, oh no. Wait, is built entity a normal physics? Yeah, built entity is a normal physics entity. So we'll get ours, and then we'll get theirs, B boxes. And this should happen. Yeah, this should happen. And that will set the out result. I don't know. It should be the bottom, especially now that we've commented this guy out. We don't do anything like, do we initialize? Yeah, I'm sure we initialize out result. Hopefully it's not just getting recycled. What is that? Norm, no, yeah, I feel like we're pretty close. It's something related to it being wiped out with that everything. Yeah, so let's see. Overlap result just gets cycled here, right? And it doesn't change. And it's not initialized. So it's expecting the collides with entity call to do something with it. But we don't. Collides with entity doesn't do anything like that. It does this, then does a hard test and returns true. But so this is uninitialized value, and I believe we just OR it in filter and collides and overlaps. Okay, actually anytime you do the overlap call, it sets it to none. That is interesting. And that could, no, that could create some problems. Definitely, no, I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, but you see, I mean, this code works. A lot of other code has relied on this code. So let me just verify that. When we get into here, let's do printf. Printf. Result %i top %i bottom. No, that's all we need. \n star result, that thing. Okay, let's run that and see what we get. I bet that we are just blarg. Okay, there we go. So we should get our printf statement soon. We didn't get it. We didn't get any f. This is really confusing, but let's also do the bottom. The bottom is the one that should be getting hit. I also forgot to look at the thing and see if it was working. And this could be Xcode caching problem too. Nah. Hello. Okay, so we got this guy going up. And when he hits... Hello. Yeah, well, it didn't work. But in the printf output, printf output has nothing related to the words we typed. Which is weird. Because we definitely should be in one of these. Okay, I'll try put X. Yeah, this is when you start. Something's weird. Every day something is weird though. Okay. So if this doesn't get hit, I don't know what to say. That means result is none. Yeah, actually. If you just print out result, and it's very possibly just 0. That's the other fear. Alright. Let's run it. I think I need an ice cream break pretty soon. Okay, now you can do something cool. Hello. I really don't get it. Oh, anyway, forgot to show you the debugger. Okay, so result 1. So now it prints out the result, which is weird. So it says it's hitting on the top. Isn't that odd? It should be hitting on the bottom. Fortunately, I don't have a means of getting stuff over to that entity. Yeah. Okay, but it's interesting that now, only now, that's super weird, right? I think this shows the Xcode caching problem. Only this time it printed out. Let me stop it. Only this time it printed out the result top printf statement, and that was there the whole time. Yeah. Unless, okay, we can look at them. Let's look at them. So this was the last one. No. I don't get it. You can't see the logs from previous? When I change this, the logs don't change. Ah, this is the log, okay. Okay, it did show the result. 1-1. It's just hidden. Okay. So it's definitely saying the top is colliding. It's obviously the bottom. And that has to be in normal physics entity hard tests. And the hard test wipes the out result. Yeah. So is the other guy a normal physics entity? Yes. He is a normal physics entity. Okay, now get our boxes and get your boxes. And this will only be called from the movable entity. So self is always going to be the voice entity, and other is always going to be the whatchamacallit, the filter effect entity. So okay, go from I to J, go from J to J. Well, whatever. Now if the thing overlaps, return true. And this will pass. We'll flip this around and okay. Right. Yeah, and we use this simple subtract method to see if we overlap. So if A